Look at you, big girl. Whoa. Whoa.
Yay!
Woo! Good job.
A little too excited there.
This is like work. Good job. Do it slow. Good job. You're getting a little braver about this. You need to slow down there a little bit, chick. You're running. you're running. You gotta slow down. Yeah. Yay, Raylin. Raylin. Yay, good job.